Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this Adobe Spark course. In this lecture we are going to discuss about how we can create a video for our projects, marketing campaigns, social media activity, or maybe other type of activity that we have for our businesses, and not just for our businesses but for personal purposes as well. Now, first things first, after we have logged into our dashboard, we click on the plus icon and we will have the options here to select a video. Okay, anyway, any type of video you would select, you will be able to change the type of template from inside the actual video editor, so don't worry about that. Right, for this example we are going to select a promotional type of video because many of you have businesses or you run marketing campaigns, and this is probably the type of video and template that interests you the most. So let's select this one, promote video. Let's give it a name, test promo 1, and now we have to pick a story template or start from scratch. Okay, we have a specific type of templates which contain a specific number of slides for each of the videos based on the idea of what we want to create as a video and the story that we have. Okay, if we want to promote an idea, we will have a specific number of slides in our video which follow a specific type of narration or story. Right, tell what happened, a hero's journey, show and tell, personal growth, if we want to teach a lesson, an invitation to something, or make our own story. Right, now let's say that we want to promote an idea because that's what we have specified in the beginning. So we will select this one, promote an idea. Okay, and bear with me for a couple of seconds, and this is it. Okay, this is how the video editor looks like. Very simple. We have a menu in the right top corner with layout, theme, resize, and music. Right, and we can see here that we have a specific number of slides, setting, okay, the problem that we want to solve with our business, what could be, how it should look like if the problem doesn't exist, the solution, which is probably our idea or product, the reward, and how we can help you. Right, so basically this is the part that we want to let's say to stand out, because we are giving them the solution through our product. Okay, and let's say in the setting, let's go back, we can play from here the problem. If we want to add another slide, we just add it, and we have selected it to be the first slide. Now this slide is already selected, so I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, we have a plus button here. That means that on this slide we can add whatever we want, a text, a video, a photo, or an icon. Now in the right side of the screen we can see that we have a menu with different layouts for our slides. We have full screen like it's right now, split screen, so we will be able to add two different types of elements, a caption type of slide, and the caption type of slide is a little bit different, okay, because you can add captions to your slide, or a title and text. Okay, and with title and text we just have to select from here the titles. Okay, and from here a video or a photo. In the caption section can select the video, photo, and the actual caption. Right, and let's say that we want to leave it full screen. We want caption, this is how it's going to look like, title, this is how it's going to look like. Now you can also add voice over to your slides and videos, which is very cool. You have to keep pressed this button here for mic recording, okay, for recording your voiceover with your microphone. So it's pretty simple. You just have to click on it and keep it pushed while you are talking on the slide, and when you release it, the slide is over and the voiceover is over. Pretty neat, right? Now let me show you how you can select a theme. After you are finished with one slide, you can go to the next one and you choose a different template and so on. Now let me show you how you choose a theme. We have title, which is very simple. We just select a different type of let's say of color, which is simple to do. And we have other types of templates as well. Let's say that we want the statement type. And basically the difference between them is how they do the transitioning between the slides and what type of effects they have on the text. Okay, it's pretty simple, and you can see if you basically go with your mouse cursor over each of the templates, you'll see how they do the transition and what type of fonts they are using, right? Okay, we have the resize option for widescreen or square, and we can also add music, which is very important. So music on or music off. Let's say that we want music on. From here we set the volume, and we have different types of music that we can add. We click on them to actually see how they sound, or we play them. When we click on them, we select them. Okay, so very simple to do, and it's very useful because every video which has a soundtrack has a specific something that is more attractive. After we are done with everything, with adding the music, the text, and absolutely everything, now let me show you, for example, how we can add content as well. Here we have text. Okay, text 1, and after adding the text we can move to the next slide and so on. That's pretty much it. It's not complicated at all, as you can see, and the best part is that you can preview your video. Let's select the preview option. We didn't add anything on the slide, so that's why it doesn't appear, only the text one. You can hear also the music in the background. We can pause it now, and what we can do is either share the video now that we are finished with it, or download it to our computer. If you download it, it's preparing the video, and it will take a while, a couple of seconds, like 30 seconds or maybe up to 1 minute for it to be ready. But after that we can download it to our computer. And as you can see, the test promo was downloaded. It has only 355 kilobytes, so it's not big at all. Let's see if we can actually see it, and I will try to open it right now on my computer so you can see it. Okay, this is it, text 1. Okay, now let's go back, or we can share it on our social media. We give it a name, title, it's for business, we give it a subtitle, the author, get noticed. Okay, so everything, and we can also create a link for it. Okay, and if we have this on button or feature approved, it will appear on the Adobe Spark website so other users can see it as well. Now let me close this. So this is pretty much how you can create a video. It's very useful if you want to create a fast and efficient video for your marketing campaigns or for personal purposes as well. Now thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture.